All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about my hours and why we have so much warranty work in the shop. All right, so I figured I'd do a video on, because a couple questions I get all the time when I do my what's going on around the shop videos. Sometimes this is a warranty repair, and I get that question a lot. So I figured I'd do a whole video about answering these two questions. So why we have a good bit of warranty in the shop is because we have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. And sometimes parts don't make it. Sometimes it's workmanship, but for the most part, it's parts failures. Especially on the older stuff where OEM is no longer available readily or available at all. So the other question I get a lot of times is, well, if you're the Flat Rate Master, how many hours do you bill? And it varies. Now you have to remember something. At this shop, I am the shop foreman, so I run the back part of the shop. I deal with assigning tickets, dealing with, helping technicians out of problems, manage workflow, making sure this job gets done, coordinating with the front to make sure that job gets done, and all of that. So my duties aren't just turning wrenches, so I have to, manage all that. And in the case of yesterday, I had to pick up the slack because I had 2 technicians out, 2 other technicians tied up. So I ran my butt off yesterday doing a bunch of BS, oil changes, this and this and this. But let's talk about where my hours are for the week. Now, I started Monday morning, no cars in my name, nothing held over, 0 hours billed at 7:30 Monday morning. I had nothing in the hopper, started fresh. Bam Bam had 20 hours in the hole. I'm not going to count that. Me, 100% fresh. This is Thursday, March 21st, and I'm counting for this week only, Monday to Thursday, what has booked out. Now I have a 13.8 hour car already sold, waiting for me to start on tomorrow. May or may not get done depending on our workload, but the customer's already aware of that. It may push till Monday. But where are my hours? And I'll put this on the screen. My current hours for the week, 48.2. Pretty good. I'm not going to complain. Is it my best week? No. Is it my worst week? No. To give you an example, last week I finished the week at 43.3. We're coming out of our slow time, so it's going to change. During our slow time, I try to do my best to keep the guys as busy as possible in the shop, keep them turning, and I tend to take the lowest amount of hours in the shop so my guys can stay busy. But we don't have slow times a lot, but that's what I billed the last 2 weeks. So it is what it is. Maybe I'll finish out at 60 hours. Maybe I'll finish out at 48.2. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. I will put what I finished this week at right here, as long as I remember to pull the report before I leave Friday. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. I hope this answered some questions. Flat Rate Master is just the name of the channel. Thanks for watching.